write that down. Don't actually have a pen right now. It's one of those things I've been meaning to buy. It's on my list of required purchases. Where are you, Ethereum? Where are you? Where are you, Ethereum? You're at $1,121.50, Ethereum. What are you doing in there at $1,121.50, Ethereum? Why are you not at 1,400 or something? We were going so well in this extreme parabolic move whenever the entire market then had a collapse in the post-inauguration of Joe Biden. Certainty, uncertainty, flicker around there with the price action and all that. We were doing so well. Why did you not take out your highs? Why did you have to do something like come all the way down to the 21 on the 24-hour time frame and retest it as you've done so many times? Why do you need to do this? Why do you keep repeating the same gosh darn mistakes, Ethereum? Why do you not just go straight to $200,000? Why do you do things like come down and retest the 21 EMA, you bloody moron, Ethereum? Let's just put on the other moving averages and see how you've been doing with them, eh? I bet you've got something to say about them as well, don't you? Ethereum, how about if that was the atomic number 8? What are you doing with that one? What? You're actually struggling to get above the 8-period exponential moving average on the daily time frame? What sort of recovery is this? What sort of recovery is it? Why, whenever I draw in a Fibonacci from the high that you had there down to this low over here, has the prices only been able to get up as high as the 50% and not even really breaking it there in yesterday's candle subsequently? Why have we not at least got a 618, and why have we not even taken out the 50% at this point, which means that I can't even turn around to my friends in the Rocky Outcrop community and say that this constitutes a low as yet, as we hang around between these moving averages, as we look at the DMI having gone all the way up as high as it did and not actually crossing. Why do you have to make it like this for everybody? Gosh damn, Ethereum. I mean, yeah, we can obviously look towards higher targets and all that sort of stuff, but but you're making it difficult for people with this golden cross that you had months and months and months ago to trade this thing. It's so freaking frustrating that we have to rely on traditional methods of technical analysis, really, just to be able to get by and make moves in the market. It would be really crap of you if you wanted to be an absolute asswipe to come all the way down here towards $750 and retest the 50 period moving average. And don't give me any of your nonsense about how on the way up here there's been no levels of support created and we have broken down so far past certain Fibonacci points. And don't make me draw it in and show everybody, okay then, if you're going to be like that, then I suppose I will. Yes, we've only just ever so slightly recaptured the 236 right now from this Fibonacci point, but but you've not done it, you've not done enough yet. And if you've not done it yet, you've not confirmed it yet with a closure above it of say 4 hours and above, and then kick some sort of follow through on it. Instead, you're making everybody wait around to try and find out what your next move is, because if it doesn't manage to do this, then maybe you will go down looking for your other support at 750 and be all pathetic and hit off the 50 simple moving average. I tell you what, hitting down here on the 18 period exponential moving average with these wicks on 24-hour time isn't fooling anybody, Ethereum. We know what your game is. Jumping down towards the 4-hour time frame and bearing witness to the big drop off in volume that we had here on your trading, Ethereum. Why did you do it? Why did you do it? Why did you do this movement towards the top side and have diminishing volume throughout that? Why did you need to do that? Why could you not just continue to have bigger volume? Whenever we were looking at these guys coming in here and saying that we could be going into all-time high territory right at your very top, why did you have to have the worst volume that you've had for nearly 10 months? Why did you need to do that, Ethereum, right there at the highs before we turned around and subsequently went down and touched various points here of interest, such as the 382 Fibonacci retracement point on this particular one, and then come back up and struggled with the thing? Why did you have to do it there right here where you had your least volume? Could you not have put in more volume? And then whenever you had this drop down the way, could you not have had some sort of decent volume as we come through this here? Why do you need to be so rubbish about all of your movements, Ethereum? I tell you what, it is just not on. But you think that you can fool us into thinking that it's all completely gone to crap. Well, you can't, not yet, because we know that if you're sat here above this $111 point, that you're actually, you're just trying to make us all scared about the 750 area. And we know as well that if you go down below the 18 period moving average, which happens to be in there at about $1,000, that the natural point to look to would obviously be that 750. So you've not pulled the wool over our eyes, Ethereum, you freaking moron. There is your Ethereum technical analysis. I hope you like that. I also decided yesterday that I would try different styles of technical analysis. That was called angry technical analysis.